Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in home design. Today we are diving into the world of bedroom wardrobe design, exploring ideas that combine functionality with style. Whether you are working with a small space or have a room to spare, we have got something for everyone. Let's get started. In a world where less is more, minimalistic wardrobes are stealing the spotlight. Option for clean lines, natural colors, and hidden handles for a timeless look that maximize storage without overwhelming your space. This design is perfect for those who crave simplicity and a clutter-free environment. Give your bedroom a modern twist by incorporating open shelving into your wardrobe design. Display your favorite accessories, shoes, or folded cloth for a personalized touch. This open concept not only add a touch of elegance but also make finding your favorite items a breezy. Mirrored wardrobe doors are a game changer, creating the illusion of a larger space while serving a practical purpose. Not only do they reflect light and open up the room, but they also save you from investing in a separate full-length mirror. It's a win-win for style and functionality. Tailor your wardrobe to your specific needs with customized storage solutions. Incorporating pull-out racks for ties and belts, shows, shelves, and adjustable hanging rods. This personalized approach ensures that every inch of your wardrobes is utilized efficiently, making your daily routine a breezy. For those who appreciate a touch of nostalgia, consider a wardrobe with vintage-inspired details from ornate handles to dustic finishes. These pieces add characters and warmth to your bedrooms. Mix and match with modern elements for a timeless yet electric look. Save valuable floor space with sliding doors wardrobes. Perfect for smaller rooms, these sleek design offer easy access to your cloth without the need for swimming doors. Choose from a variety of finished and materials to complement your bedroom decor. Incorporate technology into your wardrobes with smart storage solutions. From sensor activated height to motorized racks, these innovations add a touch of luxury to your space. Imagine a wardrobe that light up as you approach, or a high TV screen for the ultimate bedroom retreat. Create visual interest by combining different materials in your wardrobe design. Mix wood, metal, and glass for a dynamic and contemporary look. This approach adds texture and depth, turning your wardrobes into a focal point rather than just a functional pieces of furniture. Maximize floor space with wall-mounted wardrobes units. These floating design create a modern and airy feel, ideal for smaller bedrooms. Plus, you can customize the arrangement of units to suit your storage needs, providing both style and functionality in one. For the budget conscious and crafty individuals, consider building your own wardrobes. From repurposing old furniture to create a custom closet system, the possibilities are endless. Dive into the world of DIY and design a wardrobe that reflects your unique style and personality. There you have it, bedroom wardrobe design ideas to inspire your next home project. Whether you perfect a minimalistic look or crave vintage vibe, there is a wardrobe style for everyone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more home design tips